Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on my WOODBRIDGE 59-inch acrylic freestanding bathtub. It's a soaker tub, more specifically, and the model number is B-0018. I should mention too real quick, I actually found a pretty good deal on this tub. I'll put a link below in the description to that deal so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. I hadn't really seen too many reviews on this tub, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. It's kind of based on my experience and let you know what I thought about it. So WOODBRIDGE, if you're not familiar with them, they're a kind of, their specialty is bathrooms. They make kind of really good quality toilets, sinks, bathtub, showers for the money. It doesn't mean that they're like a budget brand. They're really not, but they make very, very good quality stuff for very reasonable prices. And that's exactly kind of how I would describe this tub. I looked around in a lot of different places, and based on the prices I was getting for soaker tubs like this would easily cost 2 to 3 times as much if you were to buy it in a store. But because they because they mostly deal online, they can ship direct from the manufacturer, and you can save a lot of money by getting their stuff. Now I should mention I'm not getting paid by WOODBRIDGE. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like that. This is just purely my opinion, just to clarify that. So what do I think of this tub? Well, for one, I was really blown away by the quality of it. It's an acrylic tub, which is really nice because it always feels like room temperature. It never feels cold. It's very well insulated. It's just a more comfortable tub to lay in. The design of it, whoever did the industrial design on this product should get an award or something. It just looks so nice and modern in the bathroom. Very kind of minimal look to it, but it just looks really, really good. Kind of no frills look to it, but it functions very, very well. There is an overflow port on it and a drain on the bottom, and that's pretty much the extent of it. It's very comfortable to soak in. It looks really good. What more do you want? If you were to go buy this tub at a furniture store, this would easily cost $1,400 to well over $2,000. And to me, after comparing them, it's no different, to be honest. In fact, I would say the WOODBRIDGE quality is better than a lot of the more expensive ones that I looked at. But yeah, super comfortable. The acrylic makes it super easy to clean, and it feels a lot more comfortable as well. You don't have to worry about it breaking. I mean, it can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has double wall reinforcement on it too, and very easy to install because it's so much more lightweight than a lot of these soaker tubs weigh an absolute ton. That's one of the nice things about the acrylic. But yeah, anyway, highly recommend it. Really like it. Like I said, for the money, unbelievable deal in my opinion. I really, really like the WOODBRIDGE. So if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. I should fuck her in the Benz.